back in business, y'all. Y'all ready to rock tonight, yo? If y'all want to have a good time tonight, make some noise, y'all. Shout out to Boiler Room, Barbarian Experience. What is it? Woo, 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 woo. Song's called Camouflage Need.
As long as the sun shines, there's a pathway for the blind. Recognize, see it. Gold mines hanging from the ceiling, gotta reach it. Swimming for the jungle, diving in these blue seas. Watch us stand among you, these camouflage thieves do. Killer dolphins will attack. Killer dolphins will attack, Swimming in the ocean, hiding from the creatures. Ain't no time to look up, they coming from beneath us. Hola señorita, muy bonitas. But they ain't trying to save the girl, they trying to delete us. What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willis? Life, y'all don't know my strife. It's real out here, for real. Y'all don't even know, man, chill. Stop trying to read me, understand it. You see, this is not your planet. It's Barbarian, it's Aurelian. And I'm trying to blend like chameleons. Hop into my boat, I teach you a billion. I be just chilling out on the outage. Y'all even know. Man, ho,
Gone. y'all. I want y'all to keep moving, y'all. Bring y'all Central American vibe. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Shout out to Victor Duplay.
You deserve the spotlight with that skin golden brown. Skin golden brown. Skin golden brown. Skin golden brown.
Take y'all to Africa real quick, y'all. Boiler Room, Barbarian Experience, Ace Hotel, 3 Keys. Y'all feeling good? I said, oh, y'all feeling good tonight? Make some noise, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all got any dancers? Any dancers? Any dancers in the building? Where y'all? Represent, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a dancing DJ. I'm sorry. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Knocking everything over. Yeah. Y'all got me sweating over here. Y'all having fun, y'all? Make some noise! I'm keeping it native, y'all. Africa. Africa. Straight to Brazil. Yo, y'all having a good time? My name's General Jarrell. I bring the Vibrating Experience along with my friends. Thank y'all for being here and rocking with me. I'm gonna give y'all a little more vibes. good tonight? Let me hear y'all then. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Boiler Room. Barbarian Experience. Live in the 3 Keys.
Hit me up. JJ for governor. JJ for governor. JJ for governor.
JJ. This next song goes out.
JJ.
This next song goes out to Amatus. Congratulations to her and Mahershala Ali.
JJ.
The Janelle Jarrell remix.
JJ.
Sparkle in a flame. Ooh. Make some noise for Matt Dustin. He's about to rock with me, y'all. Straight out of Louisiana. All right, that's good. We're going to do that. Here we go. Here we go. Call it a while.
Walk it on my heart and make it into soul. Stay that way on. I clearly see love. Standing on the earth, you're naked as the flame. Still in my heart. I clearly cannot see, Lord. Surely only we can see this glow. Surely only we can see this glow. Gotta put it in my heart and this song turns to you. And I read it behind the room to falter. Gotta put it in my heart and it's all 'cause of you. And I left it behind the room to falter.
Put your hands together, come on.
Change order.
Let's go.
Relight.
Come on, come on.
Come on, y'all.
And I left it behind.
Come on, y'all.
Feminine power.
Come on, y'all.
Lay it on me, love it, let me feel no pain. Lying in your arms, clearly see your love. I'm under your cover when you sing the play. Shout in the heart, I clearly see your love. Surely only we can see this love. Surely only we can see this love. Got a bullet in my heart and it's all because of you. And I left it behind the room to fall to. Got a bullet in my heart and it's all 'cause of you. And I left it behind the room to fall to.
Okay, come on, more joint. Make some noise for Dustin, y'all.
International Women's Day. Feminine power.
We are the robots. We are the robots. What y'all know about craft work? Make some noise, y'all. I was giving y'all some subliminal message, hoping that y'all can catch on. We are the robots. We are the robots. We are the robots. We are the robots. Yo, thank you guys, y'all. My name's Geneva Terrell. I'm gonna drop this exclusive for y'all. My boy Oi for St. Croix, DJ Kiva.
Let us overcome the differences, my friend, in the quest for common goal. Let us work to
And Ancient King.
let us overcome the differences, my friend. Identity is straight, identity is straight. Whoa. Let us overcome the differences, my friend, in the quest for common goal. Let us work together and never make it end. Let us overcome the differences, my friend, in the quest for common goal.
Y'all the first person that people to ever hear this song. The first people, y'all.
Differences will arise, yeah. But we have to overcome the differences in order to move forward. Words of the wise. Whoa, hey, cause it's one common goal for all. If man overstand that, history it and go still and not go stall. Identity is the rock, the wise man build his house upon. Stand tall, and the vision is the sun. When the fool build upon, did fall, wouldn't stand. His slogan Solomon say, go to the ant, study his ways. Be wise and don't gallivant. Without unity, His Majesty said, we will slowly perish amidst discard and destruction. So take identity serious, my people. Whoa, that is strength to the nation. This is what will the nation. King Selassie, the conquering lion. Whoa, hey. Let us overcome the differences, my friend, in the quest for common goal. Let us work together and never make it end. Let us overcome the differences, my friend. Identity is strength, it have the power to make division end. Let us overcome the differences, my friend, in the quest for common goal. Let us work together and never make it end. Let us overcome the differences, my friend, in the quest for common goal.
Thank you guys, y'all.